Hello guys, today we are going to going to fix Gmod model errors and error textures. So what is happening is the problem on Gmod is, so basically, example, you downloaded a map, a custom map, um, and there's a description says CSS content, and you don't know what is CSS content is. CSS content basically is CS source, textures, models, and other type of shit, NPCs. Yeah. uh, if you don't have it, you're gonna get a lot of errors, textures, and like these error models, error text. So how do you fix that? First, my method is like downloading CSS content from from a website, but I found one in some random Steam comment, and finally decided to download it, and it's really working. It works. I have prop hunt, which is using CSS maps. When I tested it without the CSS content, it was not working. This is also working for Steam users. All right. Um, for non-Steam users. So our first step is the link is, by the way, in the bottom of the description. All right, you go to download. You go to this link, this Drive Google link. It's by me. You downloaded it. I already downloaded it. So you already downloaded it, right? So what happened is, once you have downloaded it, uh, you will open. Oh, sorry, my bad. You will open this file. Wait, where is it? This compressed file, which is the CSS game content. And where do you put this? You put this in add-on. Or the directory of the add-ons of Garry's Mod, right? You go Garry's Mod again, Garry's Mod another again, and then add-ons. Add-ons is basically the mods. You see here, I already have CSS game content, and this is where you drag your CSS game content, and after that, your problem is solved. Congratulations, you did it. Goodbye, and have a nice day, everyone.